Kasha dear. 90 reals. Take it or risk it. Isa na lang oh. Isa na lang oh.
Take it! Aisha, take it!
Where are the parents of this girl? Sino nagsasabi ng take it? Sino nagsasabi ng risk it? Ganito na lang. Ganito na lang. Sasabihin ko yung tanong, okay? Tapos saka siya mag-decide kung take it or risk it. Okay? This is the question. Okay? We will not ask na, dear, if you're gonna take it or risk it. If you got it right, I will give you another 10 reals. You will go home with 100 reals. If you didn't take it, I will give you the 90